Number 9, we're going to do some polynomial long division. And I really enjoy teaching this because I teach it a different way where we separate the work from the actual division, and it makes it a lot easier to understand. So what we're going to do is we are going to look at this outer term only, okay, 2y. And we are going to ask ourselves, what times 2y is 8y cubed? So the way to figure that out, we're going to say 2y times something is 8 times y times y times y. You can see over here that we already have a 2 and a y. So we know that 2 times 4 is going to give us 8, but we can't really tell over here what we're going to need. We already have one y accounted for, so we're going to need 2 more. That means that 4y squared is going to go on the top. So now this is where a lot of students get mixed up. We are now going to take the number that we just got, multiply it by this whole binomial, and then subtract the result. And this is where I like to do this over to the side. So we are going to get 4y squared times 2y plus 3. After we distribute 4y squared, that's going to be 8y cubed plus 12y squared. So we are now going to subtract this result. Just like in standard division, we are going to bring down that 17y when we're done. We do have to distribute this negative because we are subtracting the entire quantity. So when we have 8y cubed minus 8y cubed, that's going to cancel. Then we have 18y squared minus 12y squared. And that result is going to be 6y squared. Now let's bring down our 17y. We're going to ask ourselves the same question. What times 2y is going to give us 6y squared? So that answer is going to be 3y. Now we're going to take this, multiply it by the entire outside, and subtract the result. We're going to distribute that 3y to get 6y squared plus 9y. And again, this is where we are going to go through and subtract the whole thing. Then we're going to distribute that negative, and we're going to get 17 minus 9y. That's going to be 8y. Then we will bring down our 14. So what times 2y is going to give us 8y? It's going to be 4. So we're going to do plus 4 here. Now we are going to take this term, multiply it by the outside, and subtract our result. We're going to distribute this 4, which is going to be 8y plus 12. Now we're going to subtract 8y plus 12. We can distribute this exponent, or not this exponent, that's negative, and we're going to have 14 minus 12, which is 2. The way that you write your remainder is the remainder portion over this part out here, the 2y plus 3. So your final answer for this will be this entire thing up here.